My newest micro Tesla coil, a very tiny one, a very weak emitter but powerful enough to create weird noise effects in an AM super heterodyne radio receiver. See? Powerful interference in a radio receiver. And showing a little EMB bulb, neon bulb, very weak. Oh, low voltage intensity of the EM field, but strong enough to create RF interference in a radio receiver. Yes. A final success after much skullduggery. A weak used 9-volt transistor battery, a used 3904 transistor, and a used red LED. I wound the coil myself. Yeah. Amazing what you can do with a handful of components. What you might spend at $30 at Walgreens, we're getting something you could build yourself.